Hey guys, I hope you had a great weekend, and we're going to get started with natural resources. But first, I kind of wanted to say I hope that you have submitted your SAE project and answered your bell ringer, and then you're going to watch this lecture, of course. And so that is all about natural resources. After I go through the lecture, then you will do an assignment that comes from the lecture. You should be able to answer all of those questions using your notes that you're going to take, and I'll highlight throughout the lecture to show you what you need to write down in your notebook. Once this lecture is done, then I want you to post a picture of your notes. Okay, I have a place for that in your Canvas course, so I want you to take a picture of your notes and post them. And then, of course, your assignment is on your Canvas course. So let's get started. And you will take these notes in your notebook. Okay, so you're just going to take a picture of it and we'll go from there. Okay, I'll get my highlighter. Alright, so natural resources. So what is a natural resource? So you're going to write natural resource. It doesn't let me highlight the top. So you're going to write down natural resources. And then what is the natural resource? It's material provided by the earth that humans can use to make products that are beneficial to humans. So they're materials provided by the earth that humans use to make products that are beneficial to humans. So you are going to write down what I highlighted. Okay, so a natural resource is something we get from the earth that we use, and maybe we make another product of it, or maybe we, like, for example, so a natural resource, so for example, like water. Okay, water is a natural resource. We use water. We drink water. We use water to take showers, and to get water to our cows. We use water. So, but in order to get that water drinkable for us and to use, we have to change it a little bit to make that product beneficial. Okay, so we're going to talk about some examples of natural resources. So on your notes, I want you to write underneath them. So label them, number them. So number one is air. So just write air, and you do not have to draw a picture, but these are some ways. Just write down 2 or 3 ways that we get air. So air balloons, a kite, a windmill. That's what you need to write down, are some examples. Okay. Our second one is water. We have lakes and streams, water from our faucet. We get rain, oceans. There is water. We know we can't drink the water from the ocean, but it is there. So the third one is soil and land. Okay, so think about everywhere soil is. It's outside your front door. It's anywhere. Okay, so write down soil and land and some examples. So plants. So this is another type of natural resource. We plant trees. Okay, so trees could be an example. You get lumber from trees. Vegetables. We plant cucumber plants. We get cucumbers, watermelon. Most of the things we plant, we get carrots. Okay, so tomatoes. So all that. Animals. So cows, chicken. We get eggs from chickens. We eat chicken. Horses are used for, like in third world countries, they're used for power. We don't necessarily use them here anymore for power. Rabbits, a lot of people show rabbits or have rabbits in their classrooms. Okay, so then minerals. You think about things like coins, salt. We use salt. So minerals are naturally occurring substances that originally came from rock, such as phosphorus, iron, salt, gold, silver, copper. So those are some examples right here, some examples that you can write down. So all those minerals come from a rock. Alright, so how do we use natural resources in agriculture? So we have to have gas, and I'll break it down. The next couple slides break it down even more. So power, machinery, and equipment. Okay, so you want to write down, how do we use natural resources in agriculture, power and machinery and equipment. You're going to provide essential nutrients for plant growth and provides essentials for animal production. So if you really want to like condense it some more, you can put power machinery and equipment, provides essential nutrients for plant growth, and essential for animal production. So power and machinery equipment, metals used to make equipment. So we use metals to make equipment. We have to have gas to run those equipment, and even some equipment does not run on regular gas. It runs on diesel fuel. So power machinery equipment and just metals, gas. You can just put gas and diesel fuel. So provides essential growth for plant growth. Minerals found in soil help plants grow. Okay, so just put sun, water, and air are needed for plant growth. So when you plant your plants in the soil, they are going to have nutrients in that soil, and so that plant may need that nutrients to grow. Provides essentials for animal production. Animals need minerals. Okay, so animals need minerals. Humans, but take in the mineral blocks. That should say mineral blocks for easier access to animals. So, for example, I have some cows at my house, and they will show when they need mineral blocks. Our cows dig a lot when they're looking for that mineral block because we don't move it most of the time. We try to put it in the same space or same spot every time, but we give them mineral blocks so they can grow. Okay, it helps aid in their growth. Alright, so now we're going to talk about renewable and non-renewable resources. So renewable resource, and then this is a source that can be replenished when it is used.